Hey you people, today I have 3 random codes, but I've opened this one and I think I got a robber because he's holding cash, and it's a guy, and I think he's a robber. I really don't know. So don't judge me. So let's just push it in there. Looks like that. And you go in the bag. No. This guy is just, I have no idea who he is. So let's just enter the code. Before you watch me do the code, go watch my other video. I just posted one of me making slime. Okay, so I'm going to scratch the code off. I can't. Can't do it. I think I got the code and I need to flip the game because I can. I just realized I was on the wrong thing, so I have to do it on here. Here it is. Here I am. Cute. That's cool. Yes, it. This hat is not for sale, so you can't buy it anywhere else. So let's go check it out on my avatar. So that hat, and it looks pretty gay. That's okay. Come on, bro. What the hell? Well, we'll keep that. Okay, let's enter another one. So let's open it first. I've got 2 of these blue ones, but I just opened the red one. So because the red one had this guy in it. Okay, so let's add him. This one. I'm opening it. Ow. Okay, so this one looks like it is Series 2. And I'm guessing before I open Series 1. And I think I got a cameraman. Okay, let's open him. So he has a cheeky face, and he is a gold person. He's got a camera, and he needs his pants on, otherwise he'll be naked, so that's weird. He's a blondie. He looks like a smart ass, so he's a cheeky little fella. And here's a camera. He's wearing gold. See who he is. Because I have no idea who I got before. So. Because before I checked the checklist for him, it didn't have his name on here. So it looks like we have Heroes of Robloxia Paparazzi. So we got Mystery Box. Cool. So we got Heroes of Robloxia Paparazzi. So we got Paparazzi. The camera. So let's pop him back in there and scratch the code off. So we have 2 people right now. They're just chilling in their boxes. Okay, this is going to be hard again to scratch it off. There it is. Got it. looks like we got a camera, a paparazzi toolkit from Roblox. Redeem another item, which we got that. Okay. Okay, let's enter another one. So we got another one of them, and this is the last one. So I actually ripped it. The paper, but that's okay, we don't need that. Okay, so here it is here. I think I really wanted this one. Let me see. We got a Shy Fox. We got Shy Fox. In the mystery box. Okay, so she's got rainbow hair, and I actually have that here. So I just wonder what the item's gonna be. There goes the box. Goodbye. I'm guessing it's like a foxtail or a bird or something. I don't know, it looks really cool. So cool. Okay, we got his body in there. Now we will pop the little birdie in his hands. Don't poop on me, please. That's so cool. The last one is the best, and I can't stick the tail up his bum. We'll try. Let's just forget about the tail and pop the head on. Oh, cool. So let's scratch the code and see what we got. Okay. Pausing it. Cool, looks like we got some purple fox ears, and I did not see this coming because obviously we don't find those anywhere else, can we? So let's stress us. That's all for today. Let's just get this guy out of here. Okay. Here she is. This is my favorite so far because she has the most items and she's cool and she's a girl. So her tail and her bird. I don't know why they aren't rare or anything, but so I'm going to start collecting these. The butt just came off. Oh, got it in. Here we go. I really do like this girl. Because I have her here, I have the, I'll buy the tail, but I've now got the fox ears, so mixed with her. Okay. That's it for today, viewers. See you all sometime next week, or maybe later. You never know. Goodbye.